I'd like to request our Honorable Chief Minister to formally announce the launching of the Go to Hills 2.0. Announcement kada to you, sir.
Go to Hills 2.0 Atay inate COVID pandemic na marang warna ang sakina wana lairaba office su lapang daba adagi government officers su office na mazil ka ke ke no bon daba maya praja pulam ha ekoi curfew to ranga yung na yung apan thok na yan one ring na stage to madu kitang pakalat ko rin na sarkar ki government ki laiba schemes fit mayam department kaya na laiba post mo to madu hanili ko na daw giba mayna doorstep delivery yung lekai na malubi kana basing ko project tungan mi na makna lokana ko hauba immediately covid nang parkukan na covid pandemic parkukan na lokana ko go to hills 2.0 ni ai non story is na option.
Thank you so much, sir, for launching the Go to Hills 2.0.